This video will demonstrate how to use Sportsmith's all-in-one crank puller tool. The all-in-one crank puller works with 22mm ISIS, Morse taper, and square taper crank arms. It also works with 25mm square taper crank arms. We begin each of these demonstrations with the crank bolt cap and bolt removed. All 22mm applications will use the smaller cup, which is 22mm. For 25mm applications, use the larger cup. For ISIS applications, use the adapter at the end of the threaded shaft. Remove the adapter before use on any other 22mm applications. Thread the cup you're using close to the end of the threaded shaft. Thread the cup into the crank arm until completely seated. If the shaft is tight, turn it to allow space to seat the cup into the crank arm completely. Verify the cup is fully seated into the crank or pedal. If you cannot thread the cup into the crank arm, clean the threads with a stiff wire brush. If that doesn't help, use a tap to repair the threads. Failure to do so can damage the tool or the crank arm. Use the handle to turn the threaded shaft clockwise. This will separate the crank arm from the pedal or axle. This completes the demonstration. Thanks for your support during our more than 30 years in the business.